Thanks for tuning in again and watching another travel vlog. Well, we made it to our next destination, Elora Gorge. It's a beautiful spot, really cool. We're at a campsite and we're right on the Grand River. Pretty cool river. And we're walking down to the gorge right now. This is where they launched the tubes. Do you remember her, guys? Do you remember her? The last video, if you watch it, she actually said a couple swear words. We didn't forget the 10. Well, here we are, guys. The Grand River. Right behind me, right here. Look at that. So this is where they come and put their tubes in. In a few minutes, you're gonna see a bus load of tubers come down these stairs right behind me. They're gonna come down over here. What I want to do is a couple years ago, when the water was a little bit lower, people would come right from the top and they would end up going through all these rapids over here. But right now, the water's so high and it's moving so fast, I doubt that's going to happen. But if anybody does, we're definitely going to take a tumble, and I'm going to make sure I get it all in camera. I can't believe I'm doing this again. Was it scary, guys? That was alright. Let's go, guys. Come on, I'm going.
Hey, babe, what?
Come on. Let's do it. I can't believe I'm doing this again. Ah. I got myself already good on the rock. Okay, let's try it again. Give me 5, buddy. Give me 5. Twice wiped out. Did you get it right? That was freaking awesome. Let's do it again. Fuck no. Let's do it again.
Yeah.
Did you get hurt?
Just my butt, my leg.
You hit rocks?
Yeah.
Third time is a charm. Hopefully I don't bail out. Not this time! Woo! Alright, these guys are gonna go from the top. So Brang, let's get 2 different point of views here. Alright, you have the bigger lens, so maybe you're gonna drop it, you're gonna maybe stick around here so you can watch them go all the way. And I'm gonna sit at the top. Well, here's our campsite, 446. So it's on a little loop. Here's the main road. You go down the road, see that bus there? That's what they do to drop the tubes off at the gorge. And that's where they go, which I showed you a little bit earlier. And at the end of this, there's a little outhouse here. And on the main road, there's a bathroom on the left. So this is our site. It's not bad. It's a good size. hard to find a flat area for the tents. We did end up finding 2 of them that are fairly flat. So we have our Eureka Scenic Pass 2-person tent here, and our Outbound Backpacker 3 just right here. Last night, like I was saying, we got stuck in thunderstorms all night long, so we decided to just throw up a quick tarp system here really fast. All we did is we took a rock so that way we don't get the rope doesn't break the little holes there. Put a rock on this end, a rock on this end, tie it around, lift it up really quick, et voila. And if it starts storming pretty big, we're going to lower this a little bit and then lower this end so it keeps us dry at least and we can have a fire. Good job, B. No, I'm not. Come here, for real. I'm in a little hole.
Okay.
Come here.
Give me a hand.
Oh, you want to hold my hand? Come on. Oh, look at that. The sun is out. Oh, isn't that beautiful? First time we've seen the sun. And we're getting ready for dinner here. We have baked potatoes and some nice beans. A couple steaks here. And over here we have onions and mushrooms that we're gonna saute on the fire. How's your coffee?
My coffee is really good.
Oh,
Yeah, we're not allowed to drink here, but you know what I mean? But not a sneaky. No big deal. I'm like that.
You're a rebel.
Yeah, you're sneaky.
Is that what your YouTube channel is called?
Yeah, the rebel, the Persian rebel.
We lost a mushroom. We lost a mushroom. Good morning, everybody. We have breakfast. It's served. Coffee is empty. Bacon on the fire. This is how we do it. All right. Well, we made a coffee. We made breakfast. We had a fire, and now we're in town just because it's kind of rainy, and we're gonna kill some time and go grab a coffee. Little coffee place right here. Pretty cool little town if you've never been here. I'll give you a little tour. We're not going to be going through much of it today, but I'll just kind of give you an idea of what it all looks like. A bunch of little shops. It's kind of like a Grand Bend, Sable Beach kind of thing. Yeah. I don't have my key. I left it in the middle console. So it's like a Grand Bend or like a Sable Beach kind of thing. And a lot of coffee shops too. There's some restaurants, a couple pubs, a couple restaurants on the water. They're a little bit pricey. We went and looked at the menu. You're looking at about $20 a plate.
Oh my God, this made me love from that girl right there.
Show you the bridge because it's raining now, pretty hard. We don't have any umbrellas or any rain gear or nothing, so we're going back to the campsite. We don't want to get wet, so we want to stay dry as much as we can right now because it is a little bit cold.
Yeah.
So back to the truck.
Yep.
Isn't that Land Before Time? Yep.
I love that.
All right, let's go see the quarry in the rain. In the rain. All right, let's move it quick. Look at that. Oh, there's people swimming down there in tubes in the rain.
Really?
Yeah.
See?
Look at that. Look at that. It's gorgeous. Guys, come over here. We can have it all to ourselves. All right. Will somebody call the news department and tell them that we don't want this weather anymore? Hey,
This is ridiculous.
where's Brad when you need him? Come on, Brad.
He predicted this already.
Hey guys, Brad's on his way. Tomorrow morning, he'll be here. So you will see him on the camera. So all of you Brad lovers out there and all you single ladies. How's the song go? All you single ladies. How's the song go?
Honey, yes.
Come on, how's the song go?
Just like that, sing it.
All you single ladies, all you single ladies, all you single ladies.
That's really good.
Message me to get Brad's number.
Who sings that song, do you know?
Mariah Carey.
Beyonce, jackass.
Hey. We look like tourists.
We do.
Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Where are we?
At the Quarry.
At the where?
Is that how you say
Not
it?
at the Quarry. We're going this way.
What is it called?
Not the Quarry.
What is it called?
The Quarry.
Are you sure?
Yes. You know how you spell quarry?
I don't know what you're
Yeah, so just a heads up, guys, if you're coming here, there's 3 of us and they're charging $19 for the day.
not unless you're
And they're only allowed, as soon as they reach 250 cars that parked or 1,300 people, they close down and don't allow anybody else to enter for the rest of the day. So if it's high season and it's a beautiful day, make sure you come early. And
give them all our secrets.
I know we
I'm
shouldn't.
just joking. They said you need to come at 9:15 because they have a lineup at that time.
On
And
a-
then
on a
past
nice
10
day.
up, yeah, and they open up at 10. And then he said by 10:15ish they're already packed.
Yeah. Yes. Look at this. Neat, eh?
Oh, look at the amount of people that are just sitting there. That's cool.
And I think this is where they're jumping off. You guys gonna come with me? You coming?
Yes.
I don't know, guys. Are we gonna survive?
No,
Are we gonna live? Hey, anybody? Any medics here? I made it! I'm alive! Well, had a premature jump and my camera wasn't on, so we have to go redo it.
Yeah.
And Brang, well, he's still up there.
Okay.
1, soon I count to 5, okay? You ready?
1, 2, 3.
4, 5.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, go.
Ready? Okay, let's go.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah! Good. Come on, Ben. Oh! Brang, how was it? Oh no! He is slippery. Are you gonna jump up or jump down? Because we are daredevils. We're gonna go check out the beach. If you guys want to come, just keep watching. Come on, B. We made it to the beach. To the beach.
Grandma, wash it.
There's a lot of people. The water's green.
Yeah.
It's a big bucket of water, essentially.
Yeah.
I just peed about 15 minutes ago.
Oh, did you really?
Yeah, and I'm gonna pee again in a minute. So,
Yeah.
there's hundreds of other people who pee in this every day.
Yeah.
On average, everybody takes probably 2 pisses.
Okay.
So it's just a big bucket of pee.
It's very true.
It really is.
Yeah, because this water doesn't get recycled.
No, it doesn't go anywhere. It sits here, stagnant. And that's why the water is green.
Yeah.
No, actually, it could be. I don't know why. But it makes sense.
The algae and stuff.
That's true. That's true.
I know.
That's true.
Stupid.
Oh. Hold on a second. Oh, yeah.
How do you pee?
Oh. No, hold on a second. Can you tell the water just got warmer? I gotcha! I gotcha! I gotcha, B!
That's not going on video.
I got. Came all the way to the end, so if you come at the entrance and it goes splash pad to the right, go all the way to the end, and this is what it is right here. Got a parking lot. And check this out. We found a really cool trail. Something you definitely want to take a look at when you come. Look at this. So if you go up that trail just a little bit, this is what you come up to. Yeah, you can walk. You know where the down there where the tube launch is?
Oh.
You can walk all the way up.
Okay, I see.
That's what I want to do with you guys. I want to walk all the way to the bridge.
We'll do that today.
It is pretty cool. We're almost at the end. So keep on this trail, and I'm going to show you what's right at the end of this trail here. Look at this. They completely blocked it off now. Yeah, this used to be open, you can get through it. And this is where you walk all the way through to where the waterfall is. So look at this.
We're never getting a tube.
Almost 10 a.m.
Shit. We're never getting one.
All right. We got our tubes. We got our helmet. We got our life jacket. We're going down the Elora Gorge. Tubing. Yeah, so we didn't end up waiting in that big lineup. We ended up going into town because they have another tube rental place. And we got there and they were fully booked. So we couldn't get any tubes there and we couldn't get any tubes from Elora Gorge. So we ended up going to Home Hardware in town and we purchased this. I got you, I got you. I got you. Woo! Yeah, B. Well, this is, eh?
Yeah.
It's pretty wild. Here's some rapids! There, the bridge is coming up. Remember going over the bridge? There's a chute? Oh, big rock! Oh! Hang on tight. All right. You know, if you just push yourself out, you'll just go automatically. You want me to jump in and go with you? Yeah, want me to take you? Huh? What? Come here, hold on. Hey, you gotta do that again, man. You gotta do that again. Wow! Whoa! Don't let go. Don't let. Alright, go. That guy just did a flip right there. Climb up a little bit. They're like little ledges. Come here. No, right here. All you gotta do is give me your hand. Wow. Come have a nice seat on a waterfall. Alright, we are done. Cool. That was pretty awesome. Okay, we got a stealth mission here. We just
I like how he's
parked
like
Brad's Jeep over here.
We gotta stealth.
And
let's do this part quickly.
okay, where are we going to?
Oh, I'm not doing this.
We're just gonna drop it right here, are you sure?
Yeah,
Come on.
right there.
Okay.
Hey. Shit.
Okay?
Yeah, no, it's cold. Hello, everybody. We're about to start our journey, Ben and I, down the Elora Gorge. Him on a tube, me on a kayak. All right, let's get this party started.